we're going to look at the 180-degree rule. And this is a pretty basic rule to help you keep a visual and spatial relationship between your character A and character B, and ensuring that you're not disorienting your audience when you are cutting between conversations. So essentially we have an imaginary line that passes through our scene, dividing into two halves, A and B, and you pretty much have to keep your cameras on one side of the line. So you can pick either side, it's just ensure that when you are shooting your left and your right, that you are maintaining that same position. So when you're deciding your 180-degree placement and where you're going to divide your scene, also keep in mind what's in the background. How do you want your background portrayed? Do you want a scene where your 180-degree rule has kind of pushed your characters up against a wall, or do you want to flip it and kind of rotate them so you have more space? It's really up to you at that point. Just ensure that you are staying on one side of the axis. So with any rule, there are exceptions, and to break the 180-degree rule, you create a shot called a reverse shot. So again, if you're placed here and you're placed here, a reverse shot would be obviously coming from this side. Breaking the 180-degree rule is used, but it's used very sparingly in narrative-based sequences. So typically when it is broken, it's used for a mode of utility, as in you're breaking it because you have to in order to show another character or a line of action or an eyeline match or something like that. However, it's only used once in a while. Now, if you were to do something more experimental, if you're doing like a dream sequence or you're doing a music video or something where you have more artistic license to kind of go outside of the box and create something outside of reality, then go ahead, break it. You can get some pretty cool effects depending on how you use it. Like anything in film, angles, positioning, movements are all just tools in a bigger tool kit.